is my Miko. She playing with the toy. Oh, she playing with the toy. And this is Mama Patchy. This is my Miko girl. Miko girl, give me the mousey. Give me the mousey. The mousey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Miko, you the baby girl. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Pizza alone won't make your weeknight special. It's what you do with it that will. So carry on a large 3-topping pizza for $7.99 only Monday through Thursday.
Come on.
Hershey's Bliss, one for an inch of deliciously smooth chocolate and creamy milk.
I'm on these slides down Bliss. I've never done in a long time.
One for an inch of bliss. Hershey's Bliss.
I'm buying a car today.
We've got a big selection. Which one?
No clue.
You got caught up in Danny.
Excuse me, what are you buying today?
A Corolla.
You little Miko monkey. Come here. Come here. You gotta do this. Get all the way up.
It's usually when they first start playing with it and they're
So you made some bad decisions last night. Make a good one this morning.
There's my Miko. She's a beautiful cat.
Sausage, egg, and cheese, or bacon, egg, and cheese. Both
Oh, I want
You'll save some cash because right now
sausage.
for just $3.
Come on, Cody, let's get some breakfast. We drive.
I traded the car for the tattoo.
Come on, Miko. There's my Patchy over there. This is my Miko. She loves her new toy. Her new mousey. But her little toes get stuck on it.
oh, this is the remake.
Yeah.
It's not the, I thought it was the, those are men.
Yeah. Here. See? That guy. He goes breast scissors.
Last night?
Here's my acrobat Miko. Very little paws get stuck on stuff. She doesn't know how to retract the paws away.
You guys had Halo too. I didn't even think that was out here.
Turn the music off.
You get them. You know them convicts, they're starting to get some serious players. But their biggest threat, a running back. Make it.
He's good.
He's fast. He's really